Fast 4 films, kasama to. Parang, it has always been like that. And, ganun na kami nag-adapt sa aming mga buhay. There's beauty in distance. Oo, pero, siguro, well, pwede kong sabihin yun at pwede kong sabihin, it just didn't happen. The timing, siguro yung choices namin individually, parang madaming pwedeng dahilan. Diba? Siya, busy siya eh. Dami niyang schedule.
So at this point in your life stage, can you see na have you finally found the one?
Yan mas dapat mo sagutin. Pinasa, no? Mahirap kasi, di ba? Mahirap sabihin eh. Like, ako, hindi ko alam. Parang, mukha namang hindi pa. Kasi kung nahanap ko na, parang masasabi mo na yun, di ba? So, ikaw?
Ako, only time will reveal. Di ba? Hindi. Sin lang. Time will reveal.
Okay, and last na lang, kasi yung work, yung plot is related sa honesty, and then andun pa yung sa PR work, and you're in showbiz, wherein malaking bagay talaga yung PR. If you could recall some issues you had in the past, na you think kailangan inayos ng PR nyo yung pag-handle,